everybody knows this is still a work in progress, right? Hey guys! Oh my gosh, we have exciting stuff to talk about with you today. New subscriptions, multiple new subscriptions. And so if you're excited about us talking about a subscription, then make sure to give this video a thumbs up. And
first things first, one of our favorite things in the world is food. So let's just mention our sponsor, Home Chef, a food subscription, food delivery, at-home delivery kit service.
We love those because Home Chef comes to your door in a box. It's refrigerated, so you don't have to worry about being there when it shows up.
Pre-portioned.
No waste. You know, these girls are busy and we don't like going to the grocery store all the time to come up with food to cook, so it comes to you and it's super easy, about 30 minutes.
Side note, we're not great cooks, so it has easy to follow recipe cards, which are super easy to follow. And we did one for this video that was like so easy.
Oh my gosh, it was like a cheesy chicken mac and cheese kind of thing with, did it have sriracha?
Yes.
And in the breadcrumbs, and it was spicy. It was like grown-up chicken mac and cheese is what I'll call it.
So you just call it the whole time.
I did. That's why I felt like it was. One of my other favorite things about it is you can change up your portions. So if you want to have extra, because you're like, maybe you're having a dinner party, you can be like, ooh, I need extra of this meal because it will be perfect for my party that I'm gonna have this weekend.
You can pause, skip, or cancel whenever you want. If you're not excited for that week or you don't want to have it that week, skipsies. Or if you're not loving it, cancel. Try again.
But there are 26 weekly options. So
I don't know how you couldn't find something.
Right? You can also throw in 5-minute lunches that you can cook on the go when you're at the office, and they have fruit smoothies. There are just so many options with Home Chef, so I really think that it is a great option if you were looking to cut down on food waste, maximize your time in the kitchen so you're not wasting time, and try new things.
Bonus, it would not be our video if we didn't offer you guys a coupon code 11thgorgeous80, which is $80 off your first 4 boxes.
It's an $80 total
So
discount.
it's like 20 per box, but 80 total.
Right.
And you don't have to like, you can
just
do one, skip one, just, you know, $20 off each box.
Yeah, we're gonna have that link down below where you can click it, go enter our code 11thgorgeous80 and start saving and getting yummy meals. All right, now it's time to talk about the makeup subscriptions. You guys, we have never done Ipsy Plus before, so that is what we're doing today.
Okay, I know that Boxycharm is 21. What is Ipsy? Is it 20?
It's 20.
Okay.
Yeah, I think it's 20.
They're very comparable.
And I didn't have to wait. Like, I just went to Ipsy, clicked sign up, and it was ready to go. So we'll see. I don't know. I'm excited. We're gonna do Boxycharm first.
I just wanted to pop it open.
Well, we can do Boxycharm first. We'll save Ipsy Plus
for last.
for the end, but let's just like hold them up side by side.
Do it.
For comparison.
Oh, comparison size.
Yeah, because I mean, like, look at that. Like,
how can they compare? We'll see.
It's gigantic, but I also heard from a little birdie that Boxycharm has some good stuff in it this month, so we will see. I'm so excited.
Oh my gosh. Just kidding. Just kidding. I see a repeater, but I don't know, but it's different. It's different. No, it's different. This one right here is different. She's different.
What is she?
I love their packaging.
What is she?
This is the No Problem Prime Essence.
I just want to say no problemo.
I know, the Touch and Soul. So this is like a
essence
skincare. Calendula officinalis flower extract. At the last step of skincare, apply moderate amount, gently pat all over the skin. So it's kind of
an essence.
Yeah, it's like a kind of like the, what is it? The
SK2. Yeah.
Exciting. We love a good essence.
Okay, fun. Is this Chris and Dominique?
Yeah.
Fun. Shoot, I don't want to rip the box. I'm so. have we tried any of her
I don't think so.
stuff? Fun. So it's a lip gloss. It says lemonade, but the color is peach tea.
Gotta be honest, I don't know if I've been to Sephora since is it Sephora she launched in, I think?
I think so.
I don't even think I've been there since then.
Ooh.
I've only ordered online. That smells good.
Yeah, it does.
It just looks like it's a good jelly, glossy
like
mess.
sheer, just a fine. Not mad about that. Okay.
Like there's a palette in here, an eyeshadow palette, and it doesn't even really feel like it's very branded. Do you know what I mean? Like it doesn't feel like it's got like a right, I don't know, it says something on it, but you know how usually they'll have like a name of it?
I need those makeup wipes. I just don't want to get sticky.
It's not a subscription box without a highlighter. This is Steve Laurent Jelly Highlighter.
Yo, he gets around.
Oh, holy crap. It's definitely got a jelly consistency. This reminds me of like a cream almost. This reminds me of when, is it Stila or Tarte? I can't remember.
Oh, it says jelly highlighter. Did you say that?
It reminds me of when they had that like kind of creamy
bouncy
one.
Yeah. It says it's lightweight, blendable, water resistant, and so fun to use.
She's not highlighted.
Oh no, she's not. Don't make it too much.
It's not even hardly any. You don't even get it.
You don't get it.
Because it's kind of like a lightweight, creamy whatever. It's actually not that crazy.
No! I don't want it on my nose.
Finish this side. Finish this side.
Stop putting it on my nose. I ain't doing it. All right. Jerk. I'm sorry. I just can't get down nose highlights. So what else does it say? The MSRP is $26. Watch it glide on with ease using your favorite brush or simply dab it on with your finger for an effortless glow.
That's what I did.
No, my hair's out of control. I can't apologize. Okay, this is the Tarte BU Naturally eyeshadow palette. Sometimes Tarte has good eyeshadows, sometimes they're not my favorite. Kind of like a depending on the, ooh. I'll bet you this is what Kelsey was talking about being good. Okay, ooh, Steph, look.
I don't know. Those are kind of like muted though.
Okay, I ain't mad at them.
They've been doing vanilla.
Yeah.
They should have put something in the center.
Not strong.
That's a missed opportunity in the middle.
Yeah.
They could have put like a fun color in the middle.
But it's real pretty, and it retails for $36.
I haven't even heard of that one.
Yeah, no. I don't feel like I've been hearing people talk about Tarte, but like, it's real pretty. It's a nice natural, warm neutrals palette.
All right, there's a little lip pencil called Dirty Little Secret. Dirty Little Secret. Never heard of that.
Looks like a color we like. No.
It's like an orangey pink.
It's kind of fun though.
I mean, I wouldn't not use it.
Yeah.
Is that right?
I would use it. I would
not use it, yeah.
So you would use it.
I would use it.
Yes, you would.
I've been loving lip pencils and gloss. I'm like showing you this like you can see it. I'll try to swatch in a minute.
All right.
It's definitely Thursday. I'm ready for the weekend.
Yes, weekend. Okay, so this is, let's see, what are your value? I don't know, we'll add it up at the end. Okay, now it's time for Ipsy Plus. Are you excited?
I'm so excited.
Are you so excited?
I need to cut it.
I'll do.
Just watch. Watch, I'm not gonna hurt you.
Oh, this ship's from North Carolina. Glam Bag Plus.
Is it really a bag?
Does anybody call it Glam Bag,
Is there a bag?
anymore? No bag. There is no bag.
Holy shoot.
Welcome to the block party. All right. If I remember correctly, I think I filled out a pretty in-depth profile for this, but I can't remember. It's your turn.
Oh.
That's why I said get in there.
R&Co High Dive Moisture and Shine Cream. I know this brand. It's at
Ulta?
Sephora. Maybe Ulta. Both.
Maybe both.
It's a nice hair brand. It smells good.
Cool.
I guess you just put it on wet hair to like
Moisture and shine.
Yeah.
All right, we've got skincare. This is 111 Skin Vitamin C Brightening Booster. I have a couple vitamin C products I've been using, like the Ole Henriksen and the Drunk Elephant, I think. It's a vitamin C brightening booster. I think it's a serum, maybe? A lot of the time, vitamin C's are serums. And it says, shake well before use. Mix 1 to 2 drops.
Such a weird word.
With your moisturizer or apply directly to skin after cleansing and wear sunscreen during the day. Did you say skin?
Serum is such a weird
Oh,
word.
I thought you said skin.
Serum.
Serum. This is fun. I'm excited about that. Do love a good skincare.
I just realized what that is.
That's pretty exciting.
I didn't realize that was that until I saw that and that.
You want to save it for the last?
No, because I'm excited about it.
Okay.
Tetris.
Whatever.
Is it by like, I mean, I guess it has to be. Like, is it not Nintendo? It's just Tetris is by Tetris? That is fun. Do you think it's gonna be crazy colors?
I don't know.
It's like so-so. It's like a fun idea of a palette, but I don't know how I feel about it. Skyline, T-Spin, Top Out, High Score, Line Clear, Back to Back. Block Party.
I think I like the Tarte one better.
Yeah, this one's got like 3 colors that I would wear right there, and then some crazy pink and blue colors. And it's only a 6 shadow palette. That was a cute idea. It's also like almost none of the colors on the front.
Next we have a cake liner, which is from Suva Beauty. It's a Hydra liner, and it is in the color Grease, and it says matte. I don't want to rip it. All right.
Like, what are you gonna do with packaging?
So this one, I've never used a cake eyeliner. It looks like it's like a shadow.
Scary. Is it like a gel or like? No, it's just straight eyeshadow.
It's like powdery, sort of, but not.
Is that for that?
I think you use the whatever, but how do you do it?
No, it's gotta, is the brush
You
separate?
use a wet makeup brush. No, that goes with it.
So this has to be wet.
Yeah, to create the perfect
liner.
winged liner. I've never used this, so I kind of would like to try it. I think that would be fun because I don't know
stuck on my
anything
liquid.
about cake liner. Like back in the day, back in the 2009 time, we did the like gel eyeliners, but you didn't have to activate them with a wet brush. So like.
No, we loved it. What was it, L'Oreal? What was that?
remember what it was
that?
called.
It was like not a sideline to L'Oreal, but like it was
Yeah, hip.
L'Oreal Hip eyeliner. Oh my gosh. And they had all the fun like liquidy eyeshadows and stuff. This is that Trace lip product. It's in Belize.
So my hair is like sticking to my forehead. What is happening here?
It's a pretty color. It's like a fall color. Oh
I feel like
no.
that's different packaging.
Definitely goes more summery. It's bigger because it's full size. Oh,
Magneted.
it like,
Fine.
it's a pretty color. It doesn't look as wine as the like swatching
Outside,
on there.
yeah.
It looks more like the tip of the pencil. matches it more. It almost seems like a cream matte, this one.
So they want you to go on and review it. You get cash back for everything you buy. Not really sure how that works. So the eyeliner and brush set is $26. The eyeshadow palette's $24. Oh, so it's the 35th anniversary of Tetris.
That's cool.
The vitamin C booster is $180.
Like, I don't even know that brand. I mean, I've seen it,
No,
but I
I've
don't
seen it.
know it.
Yeah, no, I've seen it. It's expensive. I think I've seen it when I've been looking for like dupes and like when I'm researching skincare and stuff like that,
Yeah.
but that would definitely not count as a dupe. And
That
the
would be a
Tracy's
don't.
25, the Arnco's 29. I don't even have to add it up.
I know it's a higher value.
That it had a bigger value. Also,
The problem is which one do you like the products in more?
okay, on the count of Trace, uno, dos, Trace, Ipsy.
So the highlight was fun.
Wait.
The lip gloss was fun. No, not Ipsy.
No.
Sorry.
Why did you both do that?
Boxycharm. That's what did you want Boxycharm?
Yes.
Why did I say Ipsy?
Why did I?
Because I'm so used to when I'm doing things back to back like that, it's usually Birchbox Ipsy and we always end up picking Ipsy. But we're not picking Ipsy, sorry.
That's wrong.
We're picking Boxycharm.
Yeah.
Because I like the essence is cool, the lip gloss is cool, the highlight's cool, all of it's cool.
Yeah.
There's not anything in there that I'm not like, that's cool. This one, I mean, the lip product's fun. It's really not
anything,
that bad.
Yeah, there's not anything bad.
Except for the color options in the Tetris palette is not my jam. But other than that, they're very comparable.
On first glance, the products, I'm like, oh yeah, I know those products from Boxycharm, and like I'm excited to try them. The Ipsy products, I'm just kind of
They're
like
more vague brands that like I don't really know other than Arnco.
Does this have silicone in it? Yes, you do. Dumb. I'm trying to do the minimal silicones, no sulfates and parabens and all that stuff in the curly hair. I think they're both good. I think they're both great values. So we want to know, do you want to keep seeing Boxycharm versus Ipsy Plus? Let us know in the comments. Which one do you think was a better bang for your buck?
These are so much better in general than the $10 boxes because you do get so much more in it.
Right.
We're still gonna do the other ones, but
yeah,
because that's good if you want to try stuff. But this is really, really exciting. Like this is so much more like holiday Christmas giftiness in your mailbox than any of the other ones.
Yes.
So
and if instead of makeup you want food coming to your door, don't forget to check out Home Chef. We're gonna have a link down below as well as our code 11thgorgeous80 so that you can check it out for yourself. I'm telling you, there's so many options, so many yummy options.
And it'll broaden your horizons, not just if you're a picky eater, but if you're a tunnel eater. I'm a tunnel eater where I just have my things that I like. And like, even though, like, okay, if somebody's like mac and cheese, I'll eat my one kind of mac and cheese. This was kind of mac and cheese, but like with a little extra pizzazz.
Yeah.
And so it's like, it opens up new, like I didn't even think about taking panko breadcrumbs and putting like hot sriracha-ness on it to make it have a whole different flavor.
Yeah.
So it's fun.
It was
I
really
enjoy
fun.
that about it.
Let us know down in the comments if you've tried Home Chef. What are your thoughts? What are some of your favorite recipes? And we're gonna talk to you guys
in a video super soon.
We sure dang will.
Bye guys.
Bye guys. If you enjoyed this video and you want to see more like it, you can click the video on the right.
And if you missed our previous video, you can click the video on the left.
And if you still haven't subscribed, you can click the circular channel icon and it'll sub you right up.